Hello, 欢迎回来. Welcome back to our third lesson. So, since we already got through all the basics and we understood what is Mandarin, what we're doing, and what is Pinyin, basically, in general. So let's start with the very important tones, because I think since we are a tonal language, to master your tones, keep it like correct and accurate is the key to help you to communicate. All right, let's start with number one, the first tone, 第一声. So let's remember this little complicated chart. So the first tone I marked with pink. We can see here, this part is the duration, so it means how long you have to hold your pronouns. And this is the pitch. You have to go lower or higher. So first tone is high and level. Your pitch should stay steady and don't move around. Just imagine you're doing a music key and keep it long, so it doesn't fall or rise at the whole time when you're trying to say the first tone. So let's just jump in right to the practice. I think that's the best. Practice makes perfect. 练习才能够变得更完美. Okay, let's take a deep breath and say just right? It's a very calm voice. And also imagine you are flying up in the sky, like keep it steady and don't rush. We're now jump to 1, 2, 3, 4 tones right away. We are just doing the first one. So I put some single words so we can practice it better. Let's go with the first one. Ma, ma. Second, gong, gong. Third, shu, shu. Next one, tian, tian. And the last one, yi, yi. Well, most of our words and characters actually are compound words, the nouns and a lot of adjectives. So let's put more complex. And don't worry, we will go through every single pinyin details later. For now, let's just try to understand the tone and where it goes. Okay? So don't feel stressed out. This is just for practice. Mama. Mama. Second, 天空, 天空. Third one, 工厂, 工厂. The last one, 书包, 书包. Well, since we're trying to master just the first tone, how about we can hear some short sentences? It helps with your, we call language sense or your linguistic instinct. So don't worry, everything is easy and it's just let you to hear when the tones are actually in a sentence. Let's go. 妈妈爱我，妈妈爱我。B. 天空很蓝，天空很蓝。C. 我在工厂工作，我在工厂工作。Alright, if you have a piece of paper and pen, let's do a short and quick quiz, okay? Not every answer supposed or should be the first tone, so let's try listen carefully. Number 1. 毛, 毛. Number 2. 公, 公. Number 3. 田, 田. Number 4. 八, 八. Number 5. 书 书 Alright, this is our first tone. If you need your feedback of the answers, please drop me a DM. So happy to have you here, and I will see you on our next lesson.